everyone. It's been a long time. I've had a lot going on because it's between baby sisters, and I've also had like 3 teeth fall out, so it's been a big month. So, but today we're gonna open a 20 card pack with 1 foil. Then we're also, I got this recently too. It's a Pikachu. I just wanted to show you guys my Pikachu, so. Bunk! He got thrown. How about we open this? And we also got a Pokemon card pack from McDonald's. There we go, we finally opened it. Okay, shuffle them a little. So we see, okay, Wekins Pokely. Crashing Hammer. What did I call it again? Okay, it's a lightning bolt energy, lightning bolt energy, lightning bolt energy, lightning bolt energy. Hematomer. Drompa, Galarian. Hanta. Oops, sorry guys. I forgot Morpeko. Morpeko. Rosalia. Dreepa. Dragon. Makery. Village. Oops. And Sink, I think. Aura. Yoring. Gabite. Lucine. I forget, but it's not even a rare. That was the rare. That was the foil. Okay, 1 good card. Now foils count as good cards now. So foils count as good. Wait, and I forgot to show you Galarian Farfetch'd and Galarian Jonka. Or we already did that one, I think. But let's go to this one. I know these don't have much in it, but who really cares? Because it's fun to collect. I didn't even see that rare back there. I don't even know what that rare is. I didn't peek. Dromka. Beware. Ladybug, Growlithe. Then we also got this Rowlet coin, and we also got this Rowlet spinner. Don't look over here because that's just trash. Guys, this is hard to open. Guys, this is super duper hard to open. I'm I'm not lying. Finally opened it. Okay. We finally opened it. That took a little while. Okay, one of our foils, Galarian Moltres. We have tons of trash on the table. And we also got a coin. I forget his name, but he's a Pokemon. That's all I know. Then we also got Galarian Zapdos. And we also got Galarian Articuno. Now, what are our packs? We have too much trash on this game. We have to scoot it back. We have a good coin, though, too. There was 3 packs. Where's the other pack? Who cares where it is? Let's just keep doing this. I'm actually about to finish this set Astral Radiance. So, this actually helps me. Code card. Sword and Shield, Astral Radiance. 1, 2, 3. Okay, those 2 go to the front. Then 1, 2. Okay. Metal Energy. Wait, guys, for one of the card packs, I forgot. Sorry. Spicky Spend Curry. Carlia. Oops. I've been putting them over there. I'm getting confused. Wait and see True. Twabin. Helene Growlithe. Hilarion Voltorb. Rufflet. Ponyta. Philippa Village. Now let's hope for a good card. Megalazone. That's so good. It's a holo. And these count too now. Remember? Fuse and Strike. Sword and Shield. I've not even gone close to finishing this set. This set's super hard. That's funny. It says Playday, but we're focusing on code card first. We're done. And for some reason we have an extra code card, but okay, we're out of time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy. Clue and Clan and Crest. Cupora. Zelcor. Meowth. Onyx. Chewil. Choodle. Smush. Srumush. Cliffy. Sibide. Another holo Toxtricity. We did get a lot of cards today, but nowhere near how many we've ever gotten. Because we didn't get much this time. But look at this stack. That's still a good stack. But plus, we also got like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 good cards. We got 9 good cards. That's actually super good for me because I've only gotten 2 usually. So this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. See you later. See you tomorrow, maybe. See you later, very later.